Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making cheeseburger French macarons.
But before we get started, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. All right, let's get started.
List of ingredients are 130 grams of powdered sugar, 130 grams of almond flour, 90 grams of granulated sugar, 3 egg whites, and just a pinch of cream of tartar. So we'll start off by combining the powdered sugar and almond flour in a food processor. We're going to grind that up really fine. And then we'll go ahead and run it through a sieve. You may be left with some large almond pieces. You can just go ahead and discard those. Now onto the meringue. In the bowl of a stand mixer, which is fitted with a whisk attachment, we have the 3 egg whites and just a little bit of cream of tartar. Go ahead and turn that on a medium-low speed until the cream of tartar has dissolved. Now we can bump it up to medium. And slowly add the granulated sugar. And we'll bump it up one more time to a medium-high speed until stiff peaks form. Here we have stiff peaks, so now we can go ahead and combine in the dry ingredients. We'll start off with 1/3 of the mixture and begin to fold gently. So once that's combined, we can go ahead and add in the remaining 2/3 of the dry ingredients and continue to fold gently. Once you can no longer see any of the dry ingredients, this is the time to add the food coloring. Here I'm using Americolor's Egg Yellow Gel Food Coloring. And we'll just go ahead and fold that in, and we'll start to deflate the air. And once the batter can flow off of the spatula and form ribbons, that's when you want to stop. We'll go ahead and take the batter and pour that into a piping bag, which is fitted with a round tip, and begin to pipe our shells. After we've piped all of our shells, we'll go ahead and tap the tray on the table a few times just to release any air bubbles. And then we'll sprinkle on some sesame seeds. This will be the top half of the bun. We'll set these aside for about a half hour, 45 minutes to dry. Once they've dried completely, we can put them into a preheated 300-degree oven for about 18 to 20 minutes. Once done, we'll set them aside to cool completely before removing them from the pans. Up next are the hamburger patties. Here I'm using chocolate ganache in a piping bag, also fitted with a round tip. I'll leave my chocolate ganache recipe in a link below in the description. We're going to pipe round discs of chocolate and put that into the refrigerator to firm up. In the meantime, we can go ahead and start our toppings. We'll be making tomatoes, lettuce, and cheese. We'll start off with the lettuce. We just want to roll out some green modeling chocolate, very thin. I'll go ahead and leave the video link to my modeling chocolate recipe below in the description. So we're just going to cut out some round circles and then begin to just pinch it between our fingers just to try to thin it out a little bit to make it look more realistic. Next, onto the tomatoes. So we'll cut out some more circles. And just cut that in half to form 2 tomato slices. And then finally the cheese. We'll roll that out and cut it into small squares. Now it's time to assemble our cheeseburgers. So we'll take the bottom half of the bun, the macaron shell. We'll lay some lettuce down, 2 tomato slices, our chocolate ganache hamburger patty, and a slice of cheese. I like to fold down the corners so it looks like the cheese is melted a bit. And there you have it, cheeseburger macarons. They're so cute and they taste amazing.
Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe down below, hit the like button, and I'll see you next time.